How to blur the background of a video in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. Select your video clip and then choose the Object Mask tool from the toolbar. Come up to the program monitor and select the subject of your video that you want to remain in focus. If the software doesn't get it quite right, you can use the additional plus and minus buttons to add or remove from your selection like so. With that done, we can come into Effect Controls, come into the Object Mask and click the play on the tracker. This is going to track the motion of our subject throughout the entire video. Once that's complete, we can come up to Effects and search for Blur and drag Gaussian Blur onto our clip. Then we need to come into Effect Controls and then choose Inverted so that the background is blurred out and the subject is in focus like so. You can continue to configure the blur effect for your own video's needs. For example, for mine, I'm just going to increase the blur a little bit so that the background is a little bit more blurred out. I'm also going to increase the feather a little bit so that there isn't a hard edge around my subject there. Now if we play this back, we can see we have a blurred out background, and that's all there is to it.